Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the Google Maps JavaScript API in Google Cloud Console so the map can load. Next, create an API key and restrict it to your domain or local host for security. Make sure billing is configured so requests succeed. Once done, scaffold a simple HTML file and include the map's JS script tag with your key. This immediate action gives you credentials and a working page. You'll build the map container and init function in the next steps. You now create the HTML container and the init map function that actually draws the map. First, style the div. For indoors, try 600px height or 100% within a fixed parent so the canvas shows. Then, write init map. To set center coordinates for your house, choose zoom level and map type ID. This controls detail versus overview. Once you call new Google Maps, map document. Get element by ID, map options. Add markers with new Google Maps. You finish by enhancing the map. Info windows for room notes, custom icons for POIs, and fit bounds to show multiple markers. This makes your house map practical. Then test on local host and mobile, checking responsiveness and map tiles. Make sure to use the same referrer that's allowed. If the map fails, inspect the browser console for API errors. Common fixes are removing overly strict key restrictions, enabling billing, or correcting map library version. If problems persist, rotate the key and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.